Creating a Facebook ad for a nonprofit organization involves effectively communicating your mission, inspiring action, and encouraging support from your target audience. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create a Facebook ad for your nonprofit organization. 1. Access Facebook Ads Manager. Log into your Facebook account and navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. If you don't have a business account, create one to access the Ads Manager. 2. Click on Create to start a new campaign. In Ads Manager, click on the Create button to start a new ad campaign. 3. Choose Campaign Objective. Select the campaign objective that aligns with your nonprofit goals. Common objectives for nonprofits include brand awareness, reach, or engagement. 4. Configure Ad Set. In the Ad Set level, configure the following. Audience. Define your target audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Consider targeting users who are likely to support your cause or have a history of engaging with similar nonprofits. Placements. Choose where your ad will appear. For nonprofit ads, consider using automatic placements to reach users on Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, and Messenger. 5. Set budget and schedule. Define your budget and schedule for the ad campaign. Decide whether you want to set a daily budget or a lifetime budget. Set the duration of the campaign based on your marketing goals. 6. Create ad creative. Design visually appealing and emotionally compelling ad creative that conveys the mission and impact of your nonprofit. Consider including the following elements. Ad copy. Write a compelling narrative that clearly communicates your nonprofit's mission, goals, and the impact it makes. Include a clear call to action, e.g., donate now or learn more. Images or videos. Use high-quality visuals that tell a story about your nonprofit's work. If applicable, consider using a video to provide a more immersive experience. 7. Highlight impactful stories. Share impactful stories or testimonials that showcase the positive outcomes of your nonprofit's efforts. Personal stories resonate well with audiences. 8. Include a clear call to action, CTA. Include a relevant CTA button on your ad, such as Donate Now, Learn More, or Sign Up. The CTA guides users on the next steps they should take to support your nonprofit. 9. Utilize the Donate Now feature. If your nonprofit is eligible, use the Donate Now CTA button to facilitate direct donations through Facebook. Connect your nonprofit's donation platform to enable seamless giving. 10. Implement A/B testing. Test different ad creatives, headlines, ad copy variations, and CTA buttons to identify what resonates best with your audience. A/B testing helps you refine your approach based on performance data. 11. Preview your ad. Use the preview feature to see how your ad will appear on different devices. Ensure that your nonprofit's message is showcased effectively and that the ad looks compelling on both desktop and mobile. 12. Review and confirm. Review all the details of your ad, including targeting, budget, and creative elements. Once you're satisfied, click on Confirm to launch your ad campaign. 13. Monitor performance. Regularly check the performance of your ad in Facebook Ads Manager. Monitor metrics such as impressions, engagement, donations, if applicable, and return on ad spend, ROAS. Use the data to make adjustments as needed. 14. Engage with supporters. Respond to comments and messages on your ad. Engage with users who show interest or ask questions about your nonprofit. Building a positive interaction can enhance support. 15. Utilize Facebook fundraisers. Leverage Facebook fundraisers to encourage individuals to set up fundraising campaigns on behalf of your nonprofit. These campaigns can amplify your reach and attract new donors. 16. Collaborate with influencers. Consider collaborating with influencers or advocates who support your cause. Influencers can help amplify your message and reach a wider audience. 17. Promote events and campaigns. If your nonprofit hosts events or specific campaigns, create Facebook ads to promote them. This can increase attendance and participation. 18. Utilize Facebook Live. Use Facebook Live to broadcast live events, interviews, or updates about your nonprofit's work. Live content can foster a sense of transparency and connection. 19. Showcase impact metrics. Share quantifiable impact metrics to demonstrate the tangible results of your nonprofit's efforts. Use visuals, infographics, or statistics to illustrate your impact. 20. Coordinate with nonprofit page. Ensure that the information on your Facebook ad aligns with the details on your nonprofit's Facebook page. Consistency across platforms builds credibility. By following these steps, you can create a compelling Facebook ad campaign to promote your nonprofit organization and engage supporters. Regularly monitor performance metrics and make adjustments to optimize your campaign for better results. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get more content. See you soon.